Hi everyone. Today I am going to show you free website of search engine for colors. This brilliant free tool is like Google search for colors. You probably want to ask Google, but for colors? The answer is yes. Swedish digital studio Future Memories has launched an excellent tool called Picular. Picular is a rocket-fast primary color generator using Google's image search. If you ever needed the perfect green hex code from a grapes, this is the tool for you. Let's see in action. URL is picular.co. Enter your keyword in search box and see the magic. It displays top 20 Google image search results for that particular keyword. For example, if you enter sky, it will show the top 20 Google image that has most prominent color in each image. It shows color box with hex code. By clicking on hex code, you can copy the code on your clipboard and use anywhere you want. On right bottom there is image icon. If you put the pointer on it, it will display Google reference image. On clicking pin sign, your picked color will display on above the search area. You can choose multiple colors by just clicking on pin to create a palette. You can share this palette on Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest and even copy the link to share it elsewhere. Wonderful! You definitely want to bookmark this website. Here are screenshots of some keywords results. Thanks for watching. If you like my tutorial, hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for amazing tutorials.